students, myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic preservation and conservation of the environment or environmental conservation. Okay. Meaning of preservation and conservation of the environment. Preservation of environment is the action of preserving the environment. Synonyms: protection, maintenance, or security, and keep from being damaged or destroyed. Conservation of environment is the action of conserving the environment. Synonyms: save, keeping, guarding, care, and protect, and nature. Importance of preserving and conserving the environment. Human beings use water and coal to produce electricity, which in turns help us to provide heat and light for our homes. Trees should be allowed to grow. They help in reducing air temperatures, remove pollutants from the atmosphere, and provide us with oxygen, reduce noise pollution, and most important, decreases soil erosions. Sometimes it becomes necessary to cut down tree. This should be made up by planting more trees. The practice of reusing and recycling materials. Reuse to use again or more than once. Reuse materials and items so that they have longer life spans and do not get thrown away after the first use. Many items found around the home can be used for different purpose. So before you throw those items away, think about how they can be reused. How to reuse those everyday bits and pieces. Carrier bags and toast ties. Carry bags can be reused in the shop or as bin bags around the house. Paper bags make useful. Wrapping papers and toast ties can be used to secure loose items together, such as computer wires. Second one, envelopes. By sticking labels over the address, you can reuse envelopes. And next, jars and pots can use them as small containers to store odd and ends. And newspapers, cardboards, and bubble wraps make useful packing materials then moving house or to store items. And old cloths can be made into other textile items such as cushion, covers and bags, etc. And scrap papers can be used to make notes and sketches. Do not forget to recycle it when you no longer need it. And next types, old tires can be old tires can be given to your local petrol stations where they will be recycled, or you could make a tire showing by tying a strong rope around a tire and attaching it to a tree. And used wood can be used to wood crafts for making objects such as a peace rack or the bird tables. Recycle to convert materials or waste into reusable materials. Landfills are full of items that could be recycled. Recycling puts objects through a process that allow them to be used again. And next benefits of recycling. Recycling reduces the need for landfilling and incinerations. Recycling prevents pollution. Recycling saves energy, and recycling decreases emissions of greenhouse gases that contribute to global climate changes. Okay, recycling conserves natural resources. Recycles brown glass, blue papers, orange, aluminium, and plastic bottles. Okay, thank you, students.